Hello guys, welcome back to my channel.
Keep it cool, ma. Wine your ma. Keep it cool, ma. Oh yeah, wine your ma. Keep it cool, ma.
You are from God's children, and you have overcome them, because he that is in you is greater than he that is in the world. 1 John 4:4. When it comes to food, the Igbo people have one of the most delicacies, delicious, mouth-watering food in the world. I'm a living witness. I won't lie to you. You should try Igbo food, okay? Now, we have different types of cuisine, which includes owa, ofe egusi, ofe ogbono, ofe onugbo, which other one? Okra. We have different types, plenty. Abacha, which we call Iwu in my village. Owa, okwa, akede, moi moi, agidi. Oh, I want to go back to Nigeria. Who sent me to make this video? I want to go back. Anyway, let's continue the video. Oh, I want to go back. Okay, I'm back fresh, not thinking about Igbo food at all. But we have many more. Why? All of them, name them. We have many more, and you should try. There's another fact that you need to know. The Igbo people love education. We do not play with education. Almost everyone you meet is educated or is still going through education, because we value it a whole lot. If you ask me about my qualifications, you will understand what I'm saying. But let's not get into that. When Igbo land gained freedom from Britain in the 1960s, they started to stress the importance of education on the youth. Before, they normally do focus on, when I say they, I mean us Igbo people. We normally used to focus on just the primary school for the male kids, but now it's a whole lot better. Even the female can go to school and definitely go past primary, secondary, university, and postgraduate level. But yeah, the Igbo people are known a lot to be very educational and a political set of human beings. We love politics a lot and education. I think those are the two things I can say we love a lot. And definitely our culture. We love our culture a lot. So yes, I think that will be the end of this series. Let me know if I missed anything. Let me know if I have to add something else in the next series I will make. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it all. If you did not get all the series, please click here and it will take you back to the one you missed, the previous one before this, okay? This is a long video, so I had to break it into different parts, different series, so that you won't get tired of watching. All right, take care of yourself, like, subscribe, share, and let people know how I'm trying to improve and expose the value of Igbo language and Igbo people, for especially those who are in diaspora who don't know much about their heritage or Igbo language and culture. All right, see you next time. Bye.